This is called the 543 model, where we have 5 essential characteristics, 4 deployment models, and 3 service models. So the essential characteristics are on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured service. So these are the characteristics or 5 characteristics of a cloud computing platform. There are 4 deployment models. We have public cloud, we have private cloud, community-based cloud, or hybrid cloud. And the 3 service models are IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, PaaS, that is platform as a service, and SaaS, that is software as a service. So this complete 543, or the 5 essential characteristics, 4 deployment models, and 3 service models are essential, or you can say the key definition of the cloud computing. We can characterize each cloud computing platform by these definitions.